Can you see WhatsApp DP if not in contacts? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can see WhatsApp DP if they are not in our contacts. So let's just go ahead in this video and find out if we can do that or not. So first thing is heading over to WhatsApp itself. And after you are there, what you can do is use the search bar if you want to see the people's DP. But if this option does not work, the only method you can apply up is, unfortunately, heading over to group. So you can head over to a group first, and from that group, you're gonna locate the person that you're trying to look the DP. So you can go to the group in which every members are added, including the one that you're trying to look for the profile. After that, you can go ahead and use, go ahead and find the user. And after that, you can go ahead and tap on their profile. And when that is done, if that person's profile is visible, you can just go ahead and look out through this method. So for now, this is only the method you can apply up if you want to see the WhatsApp DP not in contacts. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.